Page 28, Smitty's Ditty. They're discussing a round. A round is a type of polyphonic music where it's the same melody. For instance, at the beginning you have this melody. Well, in the left hand you have the same melody but at a different time. So it's here. It's the same melody, but I put them together and play them at different times. They're 2 measures apart, so it's here. Type thing, and that's really all it is. It's just a fun little piece of a round, and you can have more than 2 parts. You could have other parts coming in 2 measures later. So you could have a third part coming in on the second measure of the second line. Have another part coming in and another part coming in 2 measures later. You can have multiple parts to this, and you just keep singing it over and over until you get tired of it, which doesn't take that long actually, but it's a fun thing to try.